So what you're going to see here is the flight controller view. So this is what the pilot of the drone, of this type of drone, sees. So in the bottom left hand corner is sort of the radar image. The blue arrow is the drone. The H is the home location, and so that's basically where I am. To the right of that is the height of the drone, and then to the right of that, the D is the distance away from me, and then you can see the speeds. And in the top left hand corner it tells you it's in normal mode and it's in flight. Moving over to the right, you've got the battery indicator, and to the right of that, a number that's counting down, jumping around a little bit, is the actual time remaining in the flight. To the right of that is the remote control connection signal to the drone itself, and again to the right of that is the sensors telling you whether the sensors at the front or rear are picking anything up on the drone. So that will be things that are in the way of it. And then to the right of that is number satellites that it's locked onto. And then on the right hand side in the middle you can see camera controls for starting to video record and still photos as well. Down the bottom on the right hand side you can see the storage amount of storage time left, as well as the format of either the video or the still photos that are being taken. And so that's pretty much what you can see. And obviously you see the grid lines on the screen, and then on the left hand side, which is I just touched there, is the tap to return the drone to home. So it can return automatically, and that's what it's doing now. And now I've cancelled the landing and manually flying it in the last bit, although it will land itself. So that's it.